and Rico to Jesus Puno, February 13, 1953. October 30th, 2018, better known as Rico J. Puno, was a Filipino singer, television host, actor, comedian, and politician. He was considered as a music icon in the Philippines. He started the trend of incorporating Tagalog lyrics in his rendition of the American song The Way We Were and other foreign songs. Puno was known as a singer who regularly infused his onstage performance with tongue-in-cheek comedy and adult humor. He hosted the ABS-CBN noontime variety shows Pilipinas Win Na Win alongside Ravelera, Marco Sisson, and Nada Zuniga and Happy Yipi Yehi. Puno was also active in politics. In 1998, he was elected as the city councilor of Makati from its 1st district until his 3rd and last term ended in 2007. He ran for a comeback in 2010 as the vice mayoralty candidate of Makati, but was unsuccessful. In 2016, Puno was elected as a councilor in Makati under the United Nationalist Alliance UNA until his death. Puno was born in Manila to Felipe Puno Sr. and Corazon J. Puno. He attended Victorino Mapa High School. Although he earned a Bachelor of Arts degree from the Philippine School of Business Administration, Puno dreamed of becoming a singer. Puno introduced himself and his talent to the entertainment business by performing at folk houses and small clubs in Metro Manila. In 1975, while singing at the Palazzi, Puno met and performed with the American Motown group, The Temptations. Puno's talent was later noticed by the executive producers from Vicor Records. His first record was Love Won't Let Me Wait, while his first big hit was the Tagalog-infused The Way We Were. In 1976, Puno won the Aliw Award for Most Promising Entertainer. 2 years later, he became Aliw's Entertainer of the Year. His Rico in Concert show at the Cultural Center of the Philippines launched him as one of the foremost Philippine pop stars. In 1977, Puno covered the Carpenters' song Merry Christmas, Darling from his first Christmas album, The Spirit of Christmas, which was originally sung by Karen Carpenter. In 1978, Puno's popularity and his regular concerts at the Araneta Coliseum in Quezon City and his performance tour in the United States broke records in terms of audience attendance. His fame also made him into a sought-after product endorser, including advertisements for San Miguel beer in the 1970s. In 1979, Puno represented the Philippines at the Tokyo Music Festival with Lupa, a song that imparted messages on how an individual could strive to change for the better, on how to gain humility and other human values, on how not to judge others, and on how to struggle against one's own weaknesses. From 2001, the Greatest Hits series in Manila, produced by Viva Concerts, helped maintain Puno's popularity. These Greatest Hits concerts brought him together with other hitmakers in the Philippine music scene during the 1980s, namely Philippine pop icons Haji Alejandro, Ray Valera, Nana Zuniga, and Marco Sisson. During Puno's recent performances, he is often joined on stage by his oldest daughter, Tosca Camille. Rico's son, Rox, is also a singer and a band member. He was honored and awarded recently in ASAP Pinoy on the variety program ASAP, contributing his best in singing performing as a total entertainer who celebrated his 40th anniversary in music and entertainment movie and TV career in 2017. Political career. He won a seat in the Makati City Council for the 1st District in 1998. Among Puno's notable ordinances filed during his first term was the installation of a surveillance camera in every convenience store in Makati that operates 24 hours a day, as protection against robbers who prey on convenience stores. He left the city council after his third and final consecutive term ended in 2007. His seat in the city council was kept by his eldest daughter, Tosca Camille. He then teamed up with Junjun Binay to run for vice mayor of Makati in 2010. Although Binay won the mayoralty race, Puno lost to Kid Pina, who is the running mate of then outgoing vice mayor Ernesto Mercado. As his daughter Tosca was term limited, he successfully regained a seat in the Makati City Council in 2016 under the ticket of Abigail Binay. In October 2018, he left the United Nationalist Alliance and was among the 13 councilors who pledged support to former Mayor Junjun Binay, who would run against his sister, incumbent Mayor Abigail Binay, in the upcoming 2019 elections. He planned to seek re-election, but died after he filed his certificate of candidacy code. He was substituted by his daughter Tosca, who would then go on to win a seat in the city council. Death. Puno died of heart failure at age 65 on October 30th, 2018, at St. Luke's Medical Center, Global City. His wake was held at the Santuario de San Antonio Parish in Forbes Park, Makati, with a requiem mass held on November 5th. On November 6th, his remains were later brought to the Makati City Hall before being laid to rest at the Heritage Park in Taguig. Welcome to the amazing world of Thousand Vlogs.